Hi guys, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, we will learn how to preload the notes in the drawing template. Usually we are doing when obviously we need some notes, right, in the drawings, like front view, top view, something like that, right? So always we need to type, right? So what if we just save these notes in the default templates? So whenever you just click here, right, on the note, and it will come up here in that list. Right now it's none, right? So how to do that? Let's make some notes here. I'm going to delete that one, add the new notes. This bold, top view, underline, side view, top view, flat, pattern, and so on, right? So let's preload the notes in the drawing template, but it is not showing like that all the time, but it will come in this list. Okay, so just select this. Okay, select this note and click on this button, add or update a style. All right, so this is, we name it style top. Keep the same name as we have the annotation here. This is top, this is flat pattern, this side view, and top view. You can add as much as you can the notes, journal notes, galvanizing notes. Now when I'm going here, click here, you can see this comes here. Okay, top, flat, side. Actually these are both top anyway, so delete that one. Now let's click on this. Click here and save a style. Okay, this one I have make one folder for this. Just save here. Top, select here, save as style, and again here. Side, the same flat pattern. So I have saved 3 notes here. It is already now preloaded. Now I'm going to delete these notes. We don't need that one. Our notes already loaded in this list. So what we do now, just save as template or override your template. Okay, now I'm going to close this, reopen this, open the drawing. Let's see it's come or not. Click here. So these notes are here now. Okay, so this is the very best tip to add the notes preload. You can save your time with this.